Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we need to change by dy over dx. Next we multiply both sides by dx. Next, I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have dx. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So this one, first the derivative of y squared, we have 2y. For this one, we need to do first the derivative of y multiplied by e to the power of sy. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of esy multiplied by y, because this is about the product rule of the derivative. So if we calculate this one, we have 4y. This one we have number 1. This one in here we have e to the power of sy multiplied by s, and we have y in here, so we put sy go in here. Next we need to do this one, we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So this one we do first the derivative of s, we have number 1. This one we do first the derivative of s multiplied by e to the power of sy. Later that we do first the derivative of e to the power of sy multiplied by s. This one we don't have s, so you got number 0. So this one we have 4y. This one we have number 1. This one we have e to the power of sy multiplied by y. And now I will put sy on here. So if we look carefully, this one and this one, they are same. So that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. So we can see that we need to select about this one plus 3xy. So the integration of 2y squared, we just have only s because we just have the s. This one, that is about e to the power of sy, because if we do this integration, we have e to the power of sy over y. That's why we have y in here. They simplified. Now we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y for the both sides. So this one we have 2y, so we have number 2 and number 2y, and that is about 4xy. This one we have s e to the power of sy. And we know that this one equals to this one. Now we simplify for sy and se to the power of sy for the both sides, and we have like this. Next we put the integration for the both sides. this one we have y square. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fxy. fxy equals to c. And now we simplify like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.